Hi everyone. Today I get the following one error notification while I try to play the one game in Roblox. And it shows, Authentication Failed, error code 403. An error was encountered during authentication. Please try again. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, force close this Roblox from your task manager. And sometime, this occurs due to your DNS server not responding. So always you can use Google DNS, and which is very fast one. To do this, open Control Panel. And go to Open Network and Internet Settings. Then click Network and Sharing Center. And here it shows my network adapter like Wi-Fi as well as Ethernet adapters. Click on that adapter. And go to Properties. So here you can double-click on this option, Internet Protocol version 4. Now I try to enter the DNS address to manually. Tick to enable this option. Once you enter this address, and finally, don't forget to save this changes. Now it starts to applying the changes. So next you can open your Windows Run. And then execute this command. So here you can locate the Roblox folder. And simply click to delete it. And close all the windows. Now I try to open the Roblox official website. It asks for the application access permission, so you can click to download this Roblox. And it starts to installing. And the installation process is completed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.